Welcome to a brief overview of the registration process for incoming 6th grade students to the Farmington Middle Schools. We will take a brief moment to look through the registration guide and the registration form for 6th grade students for the upcoming year. Let us begin by taking a look at the registration guide. As you can see, the registration guide contains a table of contents for all 3 grade levels in Farmington Middle Schools. We will focus at this point in time in the 6th grade information. However, being new to the middle school, it is likely worth your time to explore the 7th and 8th grade information contained in this guide as well. You will see that in 6th grade, we have required full year courses, required exploratory courses, and required music courses. As you move into the booklet, you will get additional information regarding what these courses are and a description of the course and when the course meets. For example, 6th grade language course, which meets for a full year, 1 period each day. However, as you move through these required courses, you will notice that some of the meeting times, vary slightly. For example, 6th grade physical education does meet for the full year, but is 1 period every other day. You will also find that this is in fact the case with music as well, meeting on an every other day cycle. We do have required exploratory courses in grade 6 as well. These courses meet for 1 quarter every day. Moving on to the music courses, you will notice that here's where students in 6th grade have choice regarding which music course they wish to take. Students have the option to select band, choir, explorations in music, or we allow for students to elect to take band and choir. If students elect this particular option, band is treated as the primary choice and choir the secondary choice. The choir would meet in place of a course that we call Tiger Enrichment, which meets for a half class period every day, opposite of lunch. Let's take a quick look at the actual registration form. Both the registration form and the registration guide were given to students by middle school counselors during visits to elementary schools as part of this process. The registration form is what is required to complete the registration process for incoming 6th grade students. This form also indicates what students will automatically be enrolled in for the upcoming year, or what those required courses are. You can see that students will automatically be placed in science, math, social studies, reading, language, Tiger Time, enrichment, art, keyboarding, family and consumer science, media art, and Phi-Ed. And as previously noted, students have a choice regarding their music course. To complete this registration process, students simply need to check the music option that they prefer, make sure that they sign and date the form, and then it is also required to have a parent signature and date on the form as well. This form should be returned to the elementary classroom teacher to complete this process. If you have additional questions, or if you need an additional form or registration guide, electronic copies of the registration guides, registration forms, and informational videos can be located by going to the middle school websites, which can be accessed through the Farmington Area Public Schools website. You can go to either Bachman or Dodge Middle Schools, depending upon where your student will attend. both schools contain the same information. Thank you.